Madam Speaker, this is a violation of the economic rights of our people in the islands, and I pray that immediate action be taken by the Ministry of Defense to sensitize the soldiers that this is the right of these people, because first of all, they are not dealing in illegal fishing gears. They are fishing mature fish that they smoke.
People are being arrested every day, and they are saying, you go and take your matters to Parliament. Beaten, taken to courts. Even some of us are not safe, because they are saying, when we come to Parliament here, we report them, and we are giving the soldiers, telling them that they are the people who can decide for this country.
You know, when I go and speak, and they attack me, no one answers from here. The soldiers corrected people, they went on radio, the speaker doesn't know what she talked about. Me, with master's degree, I don't know what I'm talking about. They paid people to go to radio, and no one answered from this house. I remain there being harassed alone. But I will not stop. But I want people to stand up for the rights of our people. Our people are being chased out of the lake. It is being privatized. Yes.
Right, Honorable Speaker, I'm speaking that I can undress even myself here because of the magnitude of what is paining me. Can they help us? Our women want to take their children to school. Our people are dying of poverty, and every day they tell us to die tomorrow. Right, Honorable Speaker? Please, I'm asking for intervention. Please, let them tell us here, because they are the owners of these soldiers and they were sent by the government of Uganda.
Honour members, I shall ensure that the report comes quickly. We discuss it. If not today, tomorrow, we take decisions, and the government must act. Okay, we shall bring up the report tomorrow.
Baganya abantu bafukalirira ebyennyanja ku mazzi abakyala ne bamukwata nga abitambuza bw'ati agenda obitunda ng'ate biri mu mateeka bikulu bye biri mu mateeka. Omukyala we bamukwata ne bamusiba ne bamuggyako ebyennyanja.